Which video game sound effect can you still clearly hear in your head? The sound Mario makes every time he jumps. Come get some. Halo Shields Recharge. The Witcher Minecraft Oof, the sound of lava fire damage, the enemy noises. Minecraft has an amazingly immersive soundscape. The Half-Life Health Station Recharge. Blip 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 blip. Wololo. Opening a chest in Zelda. Regurgitating food into your partner's mouth in Kirby Superstar. The sound of young Simba taking damage in that one old-ass Lion King game. It haunts my fucking dreams. The Witcher to hit 'em in the bowels. The sounds of the birds in Wizard 101 and the seagull sounds in Guild Wars 2. Wee woo whack whack.